leading theory of well-being is what we call the PERMA theory. There are 5 factors that contribute to our well-being. P stands for positive emotions. We want to look at how much time are you in a positive emotional state versus a negative emotional state. So these might be feelings like happiness or peace or calm or pride or joy. And the more time we can spend in those kinds of states, the better our well-being. E is engagement. Think of this as state of flow or being in the zone where you are just so locked in on an activity that you lose track of time. And I don't mean like mindless scrolling where you look up and it's been an hour. These are to really be in a state of flow. You're using skills, but it's this perfect match of skill and interest. Now, R stands for relationships. The number one predictor of life satisfaction is quality relationships. This cannot be understated. If you want to boost your well-being, go connect with people. M is meaning and purpose. Do you have a sense of a greater good? Do you have a sense that what you do matters or that you are part of something bigger than you? That sense of meaning and purpose boosts your well-being. And finally, the A is achievement. It feels good to achieve things, to cross them off the to-do list, to set goals and crush them. So when we have these 5 factors, your well-being is going to be really high.